Hello, I'm Brian. Welcome to University of Leeds.
My project title is Now Robot Humanoid Teleoperation Design. Essentially what it is controlling robots in a different way than we're used to. Hopefully that's going to be the way the robot's going to be controlled in the future. So instead of manipulating joysticks or using software, you essentially become the robot. So there's a camera, Microsoft Kinect sensor that recognizes you, and then the way you move is replicated on the robot. And then consecutively, the video from the robot is transmitted to yourself, and then you see what the robot sees, essentially becoming the robot. So the idea for the project came from a few things actually. I was always interested in finding new ways how to control machines and always found human-machine interaction redundant. After seeing films like LabAtar by James Cameron and a few others, I just realized that there might be a new futuristic way of control. So this really motivated me to kind of try and see whether leveraging off-the-shelf components, state-of-the-art components that are available on the market, someone can just pick them up, cherry-pick the components that are required, and build a system to show that this is actually possible. The part of the project I enjoyed the most was just getting different systems and then combining them into one. Specifically, the system I enjoyed working with the most was the Oculus Rift virtual reality goggles. That was because it was a relatively new product. It came out only a few months before the project started, so I went through online and had to do my own research and then get it working. So it was really rewarding to see it working in the end. And I think it's the very first example it was used in this kind of context. So I think that really motivated me to push and make it work. The project helped me to develop a numerous set of skills, namely project management and how to approach a large-scale project. But specifically, from the technical point of view, it was really important for me to develop a skill set with regards to systems engineering and systems integration, because I had to pick different systems that don't usually come together as one unit. They don't really come as a plug-and-play manner, and I had to make them all work together in numerous different programming environments, namely the Python and Natural Instruments LabVIEW as well. So there are several real-world applications for this project. Even though it looks like a scene from a sci-fi film, there are actually quite a few areas where this could come in handy. So one of them would be search and rescue robots, where in the disaster situations, some robots come and provide support and assistance to survivors. So this robot could be controlled by a medic or any other operator with no training required, and that would help them to provide assistance, and that would potentially save lives. Another exciting opportunity would be to use this for interplanetary exploration. So that would be basically sending out robots like now behind my back to different planets and letting the user become the robot instead of having to go there by themselves. So that would help them to discover different planets from their own home, comfort or office.
Bye-bye.